Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can export unlimited leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And at the end, you will get a clean list of leads with the first name, last name, company name, the LinkedIn URL, and the verified emails of your leads. So let's start. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. On the left, I have all the filters I can use to identify decision makers. And on the right, I will get my results, so my leads. So let's take a real example, and let's say that we want to target people who are head of marketing. So here in current job title, I type head of marketing. Then let's say company headcount, we want to target small and medium businesses. So from 11 to 200 people. And finally, let's say that we want to target people based in San Francisco. So San Francisco Bay Area, perfect. Now let's add one more filter, and let's say that we want to target people who are active on LinkedIn. So that's why I want to toggle this filter, posted on LinkedIn. So with these four filters, you see that I have almost 200 leads. And if we check the leads, I have people who are head of marketing, head of marketing, head of marketing, head of marketing. So that's perfect. Now, if you want to export these people into a CSV file and get their emails, so unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need to use a third-party tool like Give Me Leads. So if you want to have a button like this one, extract leads, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then once you are on this page, you click here on Start for Free. Here you can create a free account, and if you want, you can use Google. And once you've created your account, if you want to have this button, Extract Leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you have to install the Give Me Leads Chrome extension. So for that, very easy, you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. So once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see this button, Extract Leads from Give Me Leads. And then once you are ready to export these people, so your leads, you just need to click on Extract Leads. Then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 100. Here just below, you can say that you want the emails of your leads. So very useful if you want to send cold emails. And finally, all you need to do is to click on Export Leads. And now we just need to wait a little bit. But before, I want to rename my export. So head of marketing, SMBs, San Francisco, like this. And now I just need to wait a few minutes. All right, so as you can see, after 2 minutes, my export is done. And now all I need to do is to click on Download CSV. So here is my list of leads. And now if I scroll, you see that I have 100 leads, which is perfect. Now on top, you see that you have all the information you need to reach out to your leads. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. So always useful when you want to send a LinkedIn message. You have the emails of your leads. So same, perfect if you want to send cold emails. You have the job title, location, and actually you have much more information. So for example, you have the company name, company website. So this one might be useful if you want to personalize your messages using AI. You have company location, company industry, and so on. So when you export some leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we do two things with Give Me Leads. So the first one is to make sure that the data is clean. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with the rocket emoji in the first name. So when you are in your favorite outreach tool and you want to say hi first name, so you want to use this variable first name, you don't want to have hi Vincent with the rocket emoji at the end, but instead you want a clean data like this. So hi Vincent. So basically with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to manually clean the data because we do it for you. And now the second thing we do is to make sure that every single lead perfectly matches all your filters. So that's why on the left, you see two columns. So matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's true, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. So here, if we check, we have head of marketing in San Francisco and so on. So that's perfect. But now if I scroll, you see here false. And here we have the reasons. So wrong job title. And if we check the job title, we have here Growth Marketing Director, Vice President Marketing, Senior Marketing Manager and US Reporter, and VP of Marketing. So here we have people who are not exactly head of marketing. And here what you can do is to decide to keep some leads if they are still relevant. For example, VP Marketing might be relevant, but here Growth Marketing Director and Senior Marketing Manager, it's not relevant. So what you can do is to remove these two leads. And by doing that, you make sure that you only reach out to people who are interesting for you. All right, so now that you know how to export leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get all the information you need to reach out to your leads, I want to show you one limitation that you will face when you use a LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And so for that, we need to go back on my computer. Here, I've modified a little bit my search. So this time, I removed posted on LinkedIn. And here, the geography is no longer San Francisco, but I target people based in the US. And with this search, you see that I have a bit more than 5K results. Now, the limitation that you will face on LinkedIn Sales Navigator is that you can't see more than 2,500 leads per search. So here you see that we have 25 results on this page. So here it's page number 1, and you can go up to the page 100. So 25 by 100, you see that it's 2,500 leads. And that's why if you make a search where you have more than 2,500 leads, unfortunately, you won't be able to retrieve all the leads. You will be able to get only 2,500 leads. So when you are in the case where your search contains more than 2,500 leads, what you need to do is to split your search into several searches. And for that, what you need to do is to use some more filters. So here in my case, let's say, for example, that I want to use this filter to split my search. So years in current position, less than a year. Here you see that I have 1,000 leads, and here, yeah, it's perfect. So with these two filters, now I have 2,500 leads, which is perfect. And now what you need to do is to copy your LinkedIn Sales Navigator URL. Then you open a sheet, you paste, and now the next step is to remove these two filters. And then we select from 3 years to more than 10 years. And here you see that this time we have 2,500 leads. So by splitting your search into several searches, like this example, you will be able to get all the leads from your main search. So if you want, for example, to export your first batch, you just need to click here. Then you will be redirected to your LinkedIn Sales Navigator search. And here you just need to click on Extract Leads. And you see here that we have less than a year and 1 to 2 years. So let's click on Extract Leads. And here it's the same process. So leads to export 2,500 and find emails, yes. And then we just need to click on Export Leads. And this is how you can retrieve the first batch. And then you have to do that for the batch number 2 and so on. And by the way, quick tip, when you want to remember your export, here you can rename your export. So for example, batch number 1. And here you know that this one is this one here. And then you have to do the same for the batch number 2. So with this process, you can safely export unlimited leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And at the end, get a list of leads like this one, where you have basically all the information you need to reach out to your leads. And if you want to use the tool Give Me Leads, so this tool, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you have the link in the description. And finally, if you want to start sending cold emails to your leads, but you don't know where to start, I've made a complete beginner tutorial on how to start sending 100 cold emails per day, which is perfect to start. So if you want to see this video, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.